This is SGT Times bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Suryansh Kataria. Here's what's making headlines. Nepal hit by 7.1 magnitude quake, Delhi shakes. India's HMPV count hit 7 nationwide. First rapid rail boosts Delhi Meerut connectivity. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Tremors from a 7.1 magnitude earthquake in Nepal rattled Delhi NCR and parts of North India early this morning. Let's dive into the details.
A powerful earthquake measuring 7.1 on the Richter scale struck Nepal at 6:35 am. Its epicenter was near Lobache, close to Nepal-Tibet border. The tremors were felt across Delhi NCR and several parts of North India, including Bihar, where people rushed out of their homes in panic. Emergency response teams in Nepal and India are actively monitoring the situation. Citizens have been advised to stay alert for potential aftershocks. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
India has confirmed 7 cases of HMPV, with the latest infections reported in Tamil Nadu. The government assures there's no risk of a major outbreak. Here's everything you need to know about the situation.
India has recorded 7 cases of HMPV infection, with recent cases emerging from Tamil Nadu. Other affected regions include Bangalore, Nagpur, and Ahmedabad. Most patients are children under 1 year old who presented with respiratory system like fever and cold. The Union Health Minister has reassured the public that the situation remains under control, with no sign of large-scale outbreak. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) is closely monitoring the cases. Medical experts urge parents to remain vigilant but not panic, emphasizing that early detection and treatment have been effective in managing these cases. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. A historic day for India's urban mobility as Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the country's first rapid rail service, Namo Bharat, connecting Sahibabad and New Ashok Nagar. This high-speed rail promises to revolutionize travel in Delhi NCR. Let's dive into the details of this milestone.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first rapid rail, Namo Bharat, connecting Sahibabad to New Ashok Nagar. During the ceremony, PM Modi highlighted the transformative potential of this project for urban mobility in Delhi NCR. He bought a ticket using a QR code, symbolizing India's leap towards digital infrastructure. This new 55-kilometer corridor will allow passengers to travel from New Ashok Nagar to Meerut South in just 40 minutes. With this launch, India's metro network exceeds 1,000 kilometers, a testament to its infrastructure progress. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's news bulletin. SGT Times bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more news that matters.